Hey guys, good morning. I'm actually surprised I went to sleep and doggy is still over 30 cents, which is absolutely phenomenal. And I think that, I think that we're pretty stable here. We just have to wait it out and stuff. But I do want to tell you guys that I have been taking profits. I took profits at the 10 cent mark. I took profits at a 15 cent mark, and I also took profits at the 22 cent mark, which was one of the fib levels for me. Um, I still am holding around half my position from where I was in February. So I'm holding about half my position. I did want to take some profit before I went to bed, or else I wouldn't be able to actually fucking sleep. Um, but yeah, this thing is, I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't know what happened with this thing. To be honest, I don't know what's going on. This is it's just ridiculous, man. I never expected a move like this from Doggy Coin. At least not for like years, right? Like I did not expect this to happen at all. Like this is fucking unreal, dude.